I always say choices matter, and I'm looking for something, and I recognize something immediately. I recognize I know this guy's antiderivative, all right? So I'm gonna lean on that, and it may not work, but I'm gonna lean on it. So I'm using this over here, u dv uv minus v du. So I'm gonna say u is equal to x, and du, pretty simple, it's just simply dx. And then I'm gonna say secant x times tangent x dx is dv, and I recognize it, and that's the only reason I did it. So what do I recognize over there? That's just secant. Again, it may not help me, but I do recognize it. So I think I can write this integration down, put it over here. What's going to equal? Well, it's going to equal, let's see, x secant x, and then minus something, right? So minus what? And it's going to be minus the v, which is secant of x. And then what do I get? Let's see, du is dx, right? All right, so someone says, well, I don't know what to do with that. I don't recognize that guy. And I understand that, by the way. But it's in the list of things you should at least know that you've done it before, that you've seen it before. You might have to look it up, by the way. But I'd say if you stop there, you can say, gee, well, I wonder what that is. I wonder if I could do that. And certainly in this class we have done that. But again, you may not be able to remember it. I think I can remember, though. So natural log, I'm doing the antiderivative of secant. Sort of remember this, secant x plus the tangent of x plus c. All right, put a box in this over here. And look at the key. And do I see this? I see this. I see this. Yeah, I see good. Okay, I want to go back to the beginning of the document, by the way. Someone says, what do you mean about the beginning? I want to go and scroll through this over here. And scroll. So scroll. I want to point out, you may say, I can't remember. It's possible. But anyway, this one here, I'm not big on memorizing things, by the way, but you should recognize you've seen the guy before. You might have to look him up, though. There's nothing wrong with doing that, all right? But again, if you look back over my course notes, we've done it in class, we've actually derived it in class. With hints, of course. We used hints to get there, but it can't hurt to go back over and study that material. Thank you.